Sean Davenport here with MTNTK Performance. I just wanted to show you one of our newest products for the Polaris Turbo RZR, and that's our RZR Radiator Relocation Kit, which allows us to separate the RZR radiator from in front of the engine radiator. By doing this, you will not have any more overheating problems and hot running conditions. Because of the 360-degree airflow that is allowed around these cooler tubes, it doesn't matter if you have a roof or you have other racks or other accessories on here. As long as the air can swirl and move around it, it's going to do its job, and it's going to cool the RZR effectively, and it's going to work great. You're going to be able to have more performance, longer rides without overheating. You're going to have much more enjoyment for your RZR, and you're not going to be plagued with any of those problems that have been common on this model. Go to MTNTKperformance.com for this RZR radiator and lots of other accessories for your RZR.